Now, in this solution that we had here, we usually don't know what C is because we don't have enough information to find C. But sometimes, like in this example here, they told us that they want to find the general formula for the antiderivative or for the integral, something like this. And they also added that f of 1 is equal to 0. So what I can do, so first I need to find the integral. How to do that is that I need to do the integral of f prime of x dx, which is the integral of 1 over x squared dx. So now I need to find the integral of this, but I don't have a formula for 1 over x squared in my table, so I need to rewrite it. How to rewrite it? I just take x squared to the top, which is x to the minus 2, right? Because for the power, or for x to the power of n can be anything except minus 1. N is whatever n is, as long as n is different than minus 1. Why? Because if we were to differentiate or to integrate x to minus 1 dx, we'll end up with x to the minus 1 plus 1 over minus 1 plus 1 plus c, and we'll end up with x to the 0 over 0, which is impossible here because we can't have 0 in the denominator. That's why n can be anything except minus 1. So in our case here, we have the integral of x to the power of minus 2 dx. This is also a power rule, so what I can do is just x minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, over minus 1, plus a constant. So this means that, as we've said, this is the original function, which is f of x. So f of x would be equal to what we found here. This is minus x minus 1 plus c, which I can write as minus 1 over x plus c. Okay? And now I need to find c, because why? Because I have, let's say, a particular solution for this function here. This is what we call a particular solution because it gives me some values. Let's say f of 1 is 0, so 1, 0 is a particular solution for my equation here. It's not for my function here. So I can go on and do f of 1, which is minus 1 over 1 plus c, and this needs to be equal to 0 because f of 1 is equal to 0. This means that c will be equal to 1. And now I can come and say that f of x, which is the original function, would be minus 1 over x plus 1. Now this is the solution I usually need to find. If I have a condition or a particular solution, I need to find c. If not, I just leave it like that, just as we did before.